Now let's try to add more widgets in the container. So we'll add some vertically oriented widgets. So let's give the another property of the container, which is child, and child will require some widget. So in our case it will be the column, and inside column we can give the list of children. So we can give the list of widgets as children. So we'll give the children, and then we'll provide a list of widgets. So we'll first provide the text field that we are going to show for the hint. So we'll show this new text field, and inside this text field, so text field is a user input. So it will take the input of the user and provide it to us, and inside that we'll have option to, let's see, we have an option to give an hint using the decoration. So we have the option to give the decoration, and in the decoration we can give this input decoration widget, which is basically a hint provider. So we can give a hint text that guess a number between 1 and 100. And then we are going to implement some other properties of this. The one important is that this on submitted method. So this on submitted is a function which is provided when user clicks on the submit of the keyboard. So it will have the method, the anonymous method, which will take the string input. So it will have this user input receiving in the method, and from this method we are going to calculate the logic of our game and provide the appropriate message to the user, right? So we need to change the state whenever user submits something. So we'll change the state inside this. So we'll use this set state method that will change the state. It requires a function which will give it to it. So we'll have the anonymous function that is going to change the state. We'll have the anonymous function over here. Why it is showing an error? Okay, that's semicolon problem.